Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. In today's video I am going to be showing you how I did my hair like this. These easy beach waves. I mean, I know no one's going on holiday but it's like that go-to holiday easy curls look. And I'm going to show you how I did it today. What I need is some straighteners. I'm using straighteners to do today. I am going to be doing a heat-free version of this video, and I'm using some frizz-free serum and a comb. So if you want to know how I achieved this look and how I got my hair like this, then just keep watching. Turn your straighteners on and make sure they are heating up. And then what I'm going to do is first I'm going to go in with a frizz-free serum. You can use any serum. This is just one that I picked up from B&M. And you just want to do 1 or 2 pumps in the palm of your hand, and then you're just going to run that through your hair, and that'll just get rid of any frizzes and any flyaways before you start. So I'm going to section off the hair at the back. Section off your hair like so, and then you can split it in half. I'm going to do them in 2 halves as well, so 4 pieces all together. And what you want to do is you want to go in at the root and you want to tilt your straighteners that way, and then turn them around the opposite way and go down a little bit more. You turn it around the opposite way and go down again. Turn it around the opposite way and go down again. And you just want to continue doing that until you get to the bottom, and then it will come out like this. So we go in at the root and you want to tilt your straighteners up and then down and then up and then down and then up and then down. You want to try and keep your spacing between the rotation of your straighteners the same. You can do it a little bit shorter when you get towards the bottom, so obviously when you get towards the bottom, turn it a bit quicker, because you don't mind them being as tight there. I'm just going to do exactly the same on this side. Like so. In at the root and you want to lift it up, down, up, down, up and down. So you kind of just if you're holding the straightener like that, you're just going up, down, down. Root, lift the straighteners up, down, up. Right, so now I'm just going to keep doing that all the way around until every section is done. Right, so now I'm onto the top section, sort of round the crown. I'm going to be quite precise with my sectioning, and then that way it'll be a lot easier for you and it will make them a lot neater at the top where it matters, because that's where everyone sees. I'm just going to push that bit over to there. I'm going to make sure we brush them through before we do it. And like I showed just before, I'm going to go up and down and up and down and up and down. So that's it. I'm just going to keep doing that now. Just catch a cup of tea in there, before it goes too cold to drink while it's still lukewarm. I'm literally living off tea and toasties while in lockdown. I bought a toasting machine from the Asda the other day, and now I've ate them for 3 days on the run. I don't think that's normal, but hey ho, I'm enjoying them and they're easy to do, so why not? So we're on to the last section at the top now. I'm just gonna carry on with what we've been doing. So guys, that is the finished look for today. I feel like everyone's doing these like beachy waves at the moment, so I just thought I'd show you a way of achieving it. Sorry if you can hear my sister shouting in the background, but yeah, so this is the finished look guys. I hope you all enjoyed this and hopefully it helped you next time you want to have a go. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this video and hopefully I'll see you all again soon. Bye guys.